Thank you so much for your sense of humor. It's really a lot of pleasure to hear. Your Holiness, I heard that from Russian Tsar you had an amazing pocket watch that you treasured a lot. When I was coming here from Moscow, I thought maybe that watch has already stopped because it's so much old. So I got you a new pocket watch, and my question is, would you accept it?
Oh, yes. At Summer Palace in Lhasa, some sort of pocket watch. The old Russian, or the Tsars, some sort of
Symbols.
symbol like that. As if you watch, then this watch, of course, left Lhasa. Then one of former American President Roosevelt. Roosevelt is during, I think, 1946, still war with Japan still going on. So then one American representative come to Lhasa, and with one letter from President Roosevelt, and with one silver kasa,
Mechanical ship.
Silver, old type of ship, made silver. Then one watch, pocket watch. So then I was, as a young child, so I have no interest about that letter. I never saw, I never opened. And then because a silver ship, I put on one small lake, and immediately, you see,
Sank.
Oh, sank like that. So that watch, I really loved that watch. So it's quite, I think, fortunate. I think in 1956, when I came to India, Buddha Jayanti celebration. Before that, my watch, some damage. So I brought with me that watch, and I give that to the Sikkim prince, or Sikkim
is Maharaja.
So yeah, Maharaja. Then, strangely, 1959, when I escaped, and then when reached Shilikuri, the Sikkim Raja came with that pocket watch. He already sort of repaired. So then that watch seems to say, waiting me in free country in India. So that watch still keep with me. So that's a story. Then in any way, I appreciate any gift. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you.